Hi, here is the Canon AE1 overall conditions. Okay, here is the battery compartment. So when we want to open it, we just push this button at here. Okay, like that. Oops. Okay, then it will pop up like that. It's using one 4L44 battery. Okay, just put it inside, close it. And here's the battery check button, the black one. When you click it, you see on the right side, the needle will move. Okay, next, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then put the film in and push this rewind button down. Make sure it's fully down like this, because sometimes you might facing this problem. Then we just push it like that. Turn a bit and push it like Then the film tip we insert into here. Here got many holes, so you just pick simply one, then you just push it inside like this. Another hand, press the film, wind it. Okay, should be okay. Then make sure that it's flat. Slightly adjust a bit. Okay, then we just close it. How to know whether you have loaded the film properly? It's quite easy. When you want to wind the film, first of all, you try turn a bit like that. And you feel a bit tight, then you stop it and you wind the film. Yeah, you see, it will move together, which means that now we have loaded the film properly. Next thing is to adjust the ISO. The ISO is at here, so we need to pull this ring and adjust it. Like, okay, by pulling it and turn it. Okay. Pull it and turn it. Just now my film is 400, so I just set it at 400 ISO. Yeah, like that. Then all the way. This is now is A mode, so it's shutter priority mode. We select the shutter speed, and the camera will select the aperture for us. So when I half press the shutter, you see the needle will move. Yeah. Okay, if it's bright, then it will like smaller aperture lah. Yeah. So for your tips, when you like go for street stock photography, then you just adjust. If the sunlight is quite bright and nice, then maybe 1000 shutter speed or 1/500 like that. Then all the way you just adjust the focus will do. Then you just shoot like that. If the environment is not allowed for this shutter speed, it will blink. Like example, I cover it. You see, I half press. It will have a red light blinking, which means that the current setting is not available. Yeah, it can't afford. It will have high chances that it will either overexpose or underexpose. Yeah. Then when you push it out like this, is the timer mode. Click it, it will have a red light light up, means that the time is start counting. Wait for it. It took around maybe 10 seconds lah. Yeah. Okay. Then when you're the one, just push it back like that. And when you want to like shoot in manual mode, you can click this button, black button at here, and turn it to other aperture side. Yeah, f1.4. Then when I half press, yeah, you see the top here got the M, means that now we are in manual mode. Yeah. But if for beginner, I recommend you just put it at auto lah. So you turn to f22 and you click this button and turn it to A. Then it will lock. And when you want to take out the lens, this one is an NFT lens, so you just click this button at here, turn it. Yeah. And when we want to put inside, the red dot, match with the red dot, and turn it. Okay. Here we'll show how many shots you have took. When you wind, you just wind until that you feel that there's a resistance that you cannot wind anymore, and you stop it. Press the button here, the black button. Flip here up. Here we have an arrow show you the way to rewind. So you just rewind until it becomes very loose. Inside is okay. Then we just take up the film to develop. Then here we need to fully wind, then only shoot. Yeah. You cannot like wind half, then you shoot. You cannot shoot one. Yeah. Fully wind and shoot like that. So the overall is like this. And when you didn't use the battery, the camera, then you just take out the battery will do lah. Yeah. So hope you enjoy it.